In the pilgrimage about life, I have to do something before I'm gone. Though the road is so narrowly bumpy, I have to pursue God's plan for me. Oh, yeah. The warrior is still a child within. This is what Jesus Christ wants me to be. As God the Father willed it, then let His will be done as He wished. I'm eager to share to all what I've seen and heard about heaven and hell. Be magnified, praised, and feared respectively. My choice, my life. I will fight the good fight. I will show to the world the beauty of the seat of wisdom who made a better me. My hope is my trust to the unceasing love of God family. I am a defender of Mama Mary, blessedness. How divine she is to be glorified. My way to give a smile to God the Father and Son eternally. I have to take a step for miles of victory. One life to live with no looking back. To die for God is to have a forever life. So go onward, Burmoki. Move forward for what is right.